What's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to do it yourself at home. So your sink is old, right? You got this old turn knob or it's broken. It's time for a new one. And you think about calling a plumber? Stop. Don't do it just yet. I'm gonna show you how easy two-step you can do this at home just for yourself. You can call a plumber and get a quote and then see how much it's gonna cost you. If it's cost effective, go ahead and let the plumber do it. Use your time wisely and do something else. But if the plumber is charging you an arm and a leg, I'm going to show you how easy and simple this is to do it at home. Okay, first you need to get under the sink. You're going right under the sink. Open that. And what you're going to need to do is, let me get some light in here. There we go. Now we can see. Now you're going to find this stool valve. We're going to shut off the valve to the waters. Alright guys, once you turn off the valve, you make sure that the water is not running up there. Now you're ready to start. Let me see if you guys can see this. It's pretty bad down here. But this is what you're going for. This nut right here. Just unscrew that nut. Two nuts. There's a plastic one that holds the faucet. You're gonna have to unscrew that one, and then you do this one right here to unscrew the hose from the faucet. Okay guys, once you remove those, you remove the hose. Now it's time for the faucet to come off. Alright, and just like that, just pull this off, comes right off. One more thing we forgot. Gotta take that little screw off. I'll be right back. And just like that, after you've taken everything from the bottom, and everything just come off right there. And that's how you get it off. Now, out with the new, out with the old, in with the new. But first, I gotta clean this. This vanity is pretty old, pretty rusted. But that's a video for another time. Just want to make the surface as smooth as possible. So out with the old and in with the new. And just like that. Boom. This one's come with a gasket, so we don't have to add putty to it. Not that like old one that had all that crud, all that stuff added to it. Cause this one's pretty old. So you can see this one didn't come with a gasket. They had to add all that stuff to make a gasket for it so it could act as a barrier to prevent any leak. And pretty much, the put back is the reversal of everything that you've done. To take off the old one, to put back the new one. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright? I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Smash that like button. I just want to mention, I had to replace one of my hoses because it was old and it started to leak when I put it back together. So I just went to the store, got me a new one. And that's how you do it. Alright? Then you call the plumber and ask the plumber for a quote. And then like I said, if it's cost effective, let the plumber do it. Go about your business. You know, use your time wisely. But if not, if they charge an arm and a leg, that's how you do it.